6 months down the line, we also are forced to think that whether we should give them full salary. That becomes a concern. The expectations, both from our seniors, from adults, from those people who are above us, and from those who are juniors or those who are responding to us, looking forward to us. So the expectations, perceptions, and behavior have changed during this period. So thank you, my dear friends, for sharing this valuable input about what is the major concern. But why I spent so much of time during this discussion and these slides and the types of changes? Because as Albert Einstein said, if I have an hour to solve my problem, I spend 55 minutes thinking about the problems and just 5 minutes thinking about the solution. So somebody asked a question, what should be the appropriate order? So my dear friends, there's no appropriate order. We are going through this change and it is there equally in all three fronts, be it the structure, be it the technology, be it the people. Now, for us, we are talking about why we are talking about this is because we have to identify which in structure is the most important for you to focus, which in technology is for you to most importantly to focus, which in people is the most important for you to focus. Because if we are able to find out what is the thing which is worrying the most, what is the major reason of a concern, what is the reason which is causing us anxiety, those sleeplessness nights, what is the one which is making it difficult to survive, we can solve. It will become helpful for us to solve the problem. Because as I shared this quote, that 55 minutes think about the problems, just 5 minutes thinking about the solution. It will be difficult for us if we spend 55 minutes thinking about the problems. We will not be able to solve the solution to this difficulty of Corona era. So now, my dear friends, again, be ready for your chat box, and I'm here with a question. Let us look forward what we are going through. So how many of you have ever been through this white water rapids? And just answer in your chat box, have you ever been or have you ever done the white water rapids river rafting? Please do share your response in the chat box. How many of you have ever done a river rafting? Anubha ma'am, request you to help me out with this.
6, 7, okay, 8, 9, 10, okay, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, okay, so wow. 15, 16, 17. I can see more than, a good 25 people have already gone, done white water rapids metaphor.
Great, ma'am. So, ma'am, just help me out and pick up somebody who would like to share and unmute the person who would like to share what kind of feelings or what kind of problems did that person face while he started his journey in the white water rapids and he went through this whole journey of it.
All right. So I think I picking up somebody, someone just unmute yourself, please, and come up on board with us and share your experience of rapid. Anyone? Maybe Sunil, Shashikant, Giriraj, Rahul, Abhishek. Just, okay, so Abhijit, I could see he has unmuted himself. Abhijit, we come to you. So I believe
Hi.
we have done, hi, good morning. So I believe you have
Very
done,
good morning to all of you.
Thank you so much for coming here and joining and sharing about your thoughts. So all to you, Abhijit, if you can share your experience about your, rapid metaphor, how was the feeling and how was the experience? All to you.
Yeah, thank you, Anuva. So for me, I think it's more of an adventure kind of activity, and I love adventure activities. So every year I ensure that at least I do one very good adventure activity, and this is one of those I passionately do. Probably what I understood that it was absolute adventure, thrill. When I done first time, I think I still remember I done it at Kolad, which is a place nearby Mumbai, almost 3 hours from Mumbai. The best part was, I think, the fun, the enjoyment, but at the same time, there was a danger also, and there was a there were some difficulties also. So it's all about how to overcome those difficulties, overcome those obstacles, again come back, ensuring your partners are safe. It's more of a teamwork. So a lot of learnings. It's more of a management exercise, according to me. it's not about only leadership there. Someone was leading, but at the same time, the important role played by all the team members, and one mistake here and there might create an entire collapse for a team. So it was all about thrill, adventure, team management, leadership skills, resilience, overcoming the obstacles, and most importantly, achieving the final goal, which is the ultimate destination, which everyone of us aspire to achieve. So I think this is what the learnings for me at least, from my
Thank you.
first experience
Thank
of
you.
my yeah. Thank you all.
Thank you, Abhijit. Just hold on. Just hold on. I have one more question for you. So while you shared this and beautifully told about your experience, and thank you for sharing, because you seem to be a sport, and by going through this, what Whitewater Rapids requires lots and lots of guts. In fact, I would just like to ask you a question. While you shared that yes, there were a lot of uncertainties when you started off first, what is that one thing which kept you going on? Because as I've seemed to understand, that the moment somebody starts off the journey, usually there's a tendency that, oh my God, what do I do? How do I run away? Should I just move out of this boat? Should I just plunge into water, save myself? What's going to happen? Whether I'll be able to live on? So what is that one thing which kept you going and keeps you going again and again?
Okay, so yes, there was some fear, of course, while entering into it. As I was apprenticed at the beginning, there was certain training being given, but most importantly, I kept it that the goal needs to be achieved at any given point in time. So even if there is a fear, I think we should remove this fear. We should just ensure that some good team synergies, and we have to ensure that the final destination is. I mean, we are going to achieve the final goal of a team, which is reaching that particular destination. So I think it's more of a. I think I, as a person, I've always ensured that always looked at my achievement of goals, short-term achievement of goals, or maybe in long-term achievement of goals, or maybe there's a life purpose. So likewise, there is a good learning from this particular sporting event. So I love this event, keeping in mind only one thing, that is, at any given point in time, I need to achieve this goal or achieve this destination, even
Thank
if
you.
there was a fear, but keeping in mind that goal needs to be achieved. So I removed that fear.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Abhijit. Thank you so much for sharing. It was wonderful hearing from you
Thanks.
and sharing your experience. And that's what exactly which I wanted to do, and you have shared beautifully, is that the one thing which kept on going is to achieve the goal. That is to hang on. Hang on, something good is on the way. Something good is coming. And I'm sure with the kind of thing which you share, that you keep on going again and again, you are the kind of person who keeps on looking forward to change and is able to welcome change in the most sporting manner. So thank you very much for sharing. What are the learnings which you shared? Let's see as to what is the something which actually you shared during this uh, Whitewater Rapids, and what exactly we are going through in this difficult time, we or our organization is going through. So as you rightly said in the beginning of the Whitewater Rapids, we have this problem of stability. It's not a stable ride. This problem of predictability and the problem of constant change. So there's lack of stability, lack of predictability, constant change, and definitely a virtual chaos. Now, how do we actually go and see this session from now also? That in the present arena of coronavirus, we are going through the same kind of a situation. In the beginning, we were thinking that things are going to become okay, but it's not so. Stability. We don't know when it will be fine, when the things will be under control. Predictability. Each and every time we have lockdown 1, 2, 3, and now we are hearing of lockdown 4. Constant change. Virtual chaos at all levels. The organizations that are at loss, the people from the above strata, the affluent strata, the middle class, the laborers, everybody is going through a virtual chaos. But the one thing which has to be borne in mind is to hang on. We will be able to succeed if we are there. We will be able to achieve our goals if we are there. So today, in order to take you ahead through this one session, we are going to talk about one change model, which we are going to adapt and talk about today. Though there are various change models, the one which I'm picking up is the Kurt Lewin's model, the 3-step change process. But there are various others. The one is the McKinsey 7S model of change. We also have the Kotter's 8-step change model. And we have a certification program regarding the change model, which Anubha ma'am will share with you in the end of the session, which you can enroll yourself and find out how you can identify with these kind of change models. So let me share with you about the 3-step change model, which is given to us by Kurt Lewin. Kurt Lewin was an American German psychologist, and way back in 1950, he challenged the status quo, which is what the situation is there today. So, in fact, picking up this model, I was inspired by it because this is something which is the simplest of all, and it is very much close to the present situation. So, before I want to know from you all, okay, I'll keep this question for later on because there's a lot of things which you will identify from this example. I will share about unfreezing, realignment, and refreezing. These are 3 steps of the Kurt Lewin's model of change. And this is mapped, as you can see, based on 2 factors, that is the anxiety, can be your own personal anxiety or the organizational anxiety, and the time. So as you can see, if the anxiety increases as the time